Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Motley full account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in full.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Motley Fool. You'll be able to find several options over here. Signing into your account is actually very simple. Simply click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of Motley Fool. From here you'll be able to log into your account. In order to log into your account, all you need is your username or email and password, or you can also sign in with a temporary passcode instead. If you want to sign in with a temporary passcode, click on this option, sign in with a temporary passcode. But if you want to sign in by providing your credentials, what you have to do is click on the field of email or username. Now simply enter your email or username over here. Now after you do that, click on the field of password and enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option reset your password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in Motley Full account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.